Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Cleer Roam Sport. These are brand new true wireless earbuds. They come with multiple sets of earpieces here, and because they're sport, they have ear wings right here. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Here's their website with some more details about costs, about what they have to offer. IPX4, we'll get to that. Bluetooth 5.2. Qualcomm aptX technology comes with all of those. Here's some details right here. All of this will be in the description below, but just to give you a quick idea of what they have to offer. Okay, so here are the earbuds. Here's the case. They have a USB-C side charging port instead of the back. This does not do wireless charging. It has a clear top to see that you have both earbuds in there. Here's what they look like from the factory. They have medium-sized earpieces and medium-sized ear wings already pre-installed. They're very light. They give you up to 25 decibels less of noise-canceling technology. Not the most out there, but for the price point, pretty good. There's multiple microphones. There's one right there for noise-canceling technology when you're on the phone. That's what it looks like a little bit closer. They feel very light in the ear. I've been wearing them the last couple of days, listening to tunes. Here's some more details about it. So it has active noise cancellation technology, up to 5 hours of playtime, 15 extra hours with the charging case, and like I said before, IPX4 water resistance, clear calls, and you have those 2 microphones per earbud. And you can customize your EQ settings with the Cleer Plus app. Comes with Qualcomm aptX adaptive technology and noise cancellation when you're on calls. So that's what you get with the Cleer Roam Sport. You can get them now from Cleer, and here's their website. They're live, and you can buy them now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.